The African catfish, Clarias gariepinus, has become a significant invasive species in Indian rivers, posing a threat to native biodiversity and the livelihoods of local fishers. Here's a detailed explanation of its invasion. The African catfish is native to Africa, but it has been introduced to various parts of the world for aquaculture purposes. It was introduced to India for aquaculture in the 1990s, primarily in the northeastern states and Andhra Pradesh. Due to inadequate containment measures in aquaculture farms, the African catfish escaped into natural water bodies. Its robust nature, adaptability to various water conditions, and voracious appetite allowed it to thrive and spread rapidly. It has now colonized numerous rivers, lakes, and wetlands across India, including major river systems like the Ganga and Brahmaputra. The African catfish is a voracious predator, feeding on native fish species, including juveniles and eggs. This disrupts the food web and reduces the populations of native fish. It competes with native fish for food and space, further impacting their survival and reproduction. The African catfish can burrow into riverbanks, leading to erosion and habitat degradation. The decline in native fish populations negatively impacts the livelihoods of traditional fishers who rely on these species for income. The Indian government has banned the culture and sale of the African catfish, but enforcement remains a challenge. Raising public awareness about the negative impacts of the African catfish is crucial to prevent its further spread. Research is ongoing to develop biological control methods, such as introducing natural predators or parasites of the African catfish. Manual removal of the African catfish from water bodies is being attempted in some areas, but it is labor-intensive and may not be effective in large-scale invasions. The rapid spread of the African catfish makes it difficult to control. Limited resources and inadequate enforcement of regulations hinder effective control efforts. Many people are unaware of the negative impacts of the African catfish and continue to consume or trade it. The invasion of the African catfish in Indian rivers poses a significant ecological and economic threat. Effective control measures require a multi-pronged approach, including stricter regulations, increased public awareness, and the development of sustainable management strategies. Addressing this issue is crucial for the conservation of native fish, biodiversity, and the livelihoods of local communities.